What's up, guys? So about a week ago or so, I got these in the mail. I thought they were really cool. Just kind of been playing with them on and off, and it's time to do a video giving my feedback on them. So what we have here is a new company called Damn Designs, which I think is awesome. So you can see their website, Damn EDC, and I like the stickers the most. I'll be damned. And what these are basically some EDC items. The first one here is called the Pounds. All right, this one is a double finger knuckle. All right, so it's a two-finger duster, if you will, but of course you wouldn't use anything like that, would you, right? No, it's just for looks. And of course, because of the lanyard hole on there, it's a keychain. But they also recommend using this as a cigar holder, which is pretty interesting. So I have a cigar here for a demo. You're smoking a cigar and there's no ashtray around or anything. You can just, you know, slip it through and rest it, right? It's a cigar holder. So, I mean, yeah, anything with a hole that's big enough to house most cigars could be doubled as that. But it is just finished really, really nicely. I like the design, all right, that's on the edge here. This is titanium. It is like tumbled. There's a beautiful stonewash finish on it. Super smooth finish, excuse me. It just feels really, really nice. I mean, you know, as a keychain, it would definitely get the job done in holding your keys. So I like it. I think it's really cool. Also some more stickers in here. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these cases, I mean, you can use this. What's cool about these is that I don't think this would be stored in the case. Basically, they come in a case, and then you have a spare case for anything. For any kind of EDC stuff, for all the gearheads out there, you could definitely find a good use for one of these cases. I think this is the same style as like the Apple AirPods or whatever those are. You know, the earphones. You can put regular headphones in there, whatever. Cool little net. Just an awesome little addition. Packaging, although it doesn't really matter. For some people, it's nice to have bonus stuff. To me, that's a bonus thing. You're getting this, but you're also just getting a little pouch you can use for whatever you want. The next one here is the Gram. And the Gram is basically the same thing, only it's a single finger duster, all right? But of course, you're not gonna use that for that, right? It's just a keychain. Same thing, perfect finish, just a single version of this. But I actually would use this as a cigar holder, all right? So again, you're out and about somewhere, maybe you're at the park. I don't know if smoking is even allowed at parks anymore, but let's say you are. Smoke a nice stogie at the park, but you're not gonna bring your ashtray, are you? You want to rest it on something. You don't want to rest it on the edge of the table, have it roll off onto the ground. So it actually does work totally fine as a cigar rest, which is very nice. All right, so cool little option there. Also just smaller profile, so this might, you know, hang in the keys, whereas this might be a little bit big for some people. As far as a duster, I got chunky fingers. Like I said, it's fitting kind of on my pointer finger. That would be the most comfortable. I did put these on and punch things with them. And I can tell you that on the middle finger, it fits a lot better. But when, you know, punching, I'm just getting a little bit more rub on the inside of my hand there. All right. And then, of course, you know, on the ring finger, same deal. Wherever you prefer to put that to, again, hold your keys. Because that's what it is, a keychain, right? Anyway, as far as actually using it, the double on the middle and ring is just the most comfortable. I mean, this thing rocks and rolls, just how you would need it to, you know, for holding your keys. And then finally here, we have a little multi-tool. All right, and this one is called the Tag. So you can see it's kind of a dog tag shaped multi-tool. There's 4 different hex sizes. The lanyard hole is actually also a smaller hex. All right, there's also a little ruler on the side there, which is pretty cool. Goes to 1.5 inches. The bottle opener, obviously you guys know I love my bottle openers, but what this would actually get used the most for, what I really, really like about this, is this edge tapers down super thin. It's not thin enough to use as a blade, but it comes down so thin. This would be an awesome, awesome pry tool. All right, you can really get into things and really pry with it. You can also use it as a makeshift, you know, flathead driver if you really need to, depending on the size of the flathead. But just really, really cool. I love these. I mean, being all titanium, having a beautiful stonewash, great fit and finish on them. They're really cool EDC options. I looked them up. I believe the Tag and the Gram, is that what it is? The Gram, yep. These are both like $60, all right? Again, keep in mind it's solid titanium, all right? So this is gonna be a little bit more expensive. And then this one I think is 70, the Pound. But they have all kinds of different tools. I actually saw that they have an Instagram, so I'm gonna follow them on Instagram to see what other stuff they come out with in the future. But so far I approve. I think it's really cool. You know, again, for the gearhead looking for some odds and ends, you know, different random gear that you might want to carry. Just another cool option. So anyway, just a new company worth looking into, providing some more man toys, because that's what these are, man toys, right? Us gearheads, we don't need any of this stuff. We just want stuff like this because it's fun and cool. In this case, it could be, you know, very effective. Of course, you have to abide by all your laws and so forth, but just saying, if you need to get the job done, super comfortable way to do it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.